Look here, got a new tool for you. It's a tape machine. It's for taping up plants. Real neat, it's gonna make your life easier. You push it down, get the hold to the tape, you just pull it back around the plant and around the trellis, and it ties the plant up. It's real neat, and I've been looking for something for a while. It makes it easier to tie them up, so you can tie your tomatoes or anything you want to up to the trellis. It's called a tape machine, and I'll put a link in the description below, and you can get it off Amazon because you need this in your life.